Hey, what's up? Took a deep ass breath before I started out that fucking video. Anyway, today I'm gonna be making garlic Parmesan chicken wings. Now, it's super fucking easy, minor ingredients. I mean, you're talking, make the list, motherfuckers. Salt, pepper, Parmesan cheese. You can use the grated shit. That's what I got. Butter, garlic cloves. Okay, that's what you need. A little bit of olive oil. You can substitute salt with garlic salt. Why not enhance the garlic flavor of the garlic wings? We're gonna be baking them, not frying them. And yeah, man, let's see what the fuck we's gonna do, babe. Yeah, man. Oh shit. Oh, what's up, girl? Damn, I didn't know you were getting naked for me already. Oh fuck, that's creepy. Anyway, look. I got about 16 wings. When I say about, I mean, yeah, it's 16. Fucking, what did I say about? 16, for sure, chicken wings in this bitch. That motherfucker got GMOs. Look how swole that bitch is. I put some olive oil, just a little drizzle. Okay, they were a little bit wet already, but I like to put a little drizzle to make them more wet. You know what I'm saying? So the seasoning can go and spread all over the fucking nicks and crannies. Look, I got some stone meal. You gotta, fuck the brand. You don't care. Garlic salt. Pow! Coarse ground with parsley. I'm gonna add more parsley at the end, but that's what I'm using. And then some cheap ass black pepper. Black pepper's black pepper, black pepper, black pepper. Black pepper. Say that 10 times, motherfucking fast, you asshole. Okie doke. So first I'm gonna go with some black pepper. Yeah. Yeah, I hope you ain't fucking gonna sneeze. Don't sneeze on your chicken wings. I'm a little liberal with it, you know, but I got 16 wings in that bitch. Look at my rough ass hands. Don't look at that. Anyway, here we go. Now I'm going in with the garlic salt. Sprinkle, sprinkle, bitch. Make it rain on these chicken wings. Now there's 16 wings in here, so I'm gonna be a little bit liberal because the only other salt I'm gonna put is the butter. You don't want your shit being bland, or motherfuckers will call you out on that. Ain't nobody want no bland ass motherfucking chicken wings, bitch. Alright, y'all. I got the chicken wings. I got to put my glove on. And I'm going to just toss these bitches. Yeah. Yeah. I mean toss, I mean move around. Try to get them all seasoned. You know what I'm saying? Don't be afraid to get your hands in there. Now, people might say, oh, you're a pussy for using a glove. Okay. Sure, but you know, honestly, why the fuck do I want to get salmonella all up under my nails? Cause when I got these gloves, these handy dandy gloves, so why the fuck am I gonna do all that? That makes no sense. Do you do shit like that? Do you? I think not. So anyway, I'm gonna get this glove on. Fuck, give me a second. Okie doke. All right, I added a little more seasoning. Because I just felt like it just wasn't enough. Now I'm gonna bring that bitch over here. And here I got my baking sheet with the aluminum foil already on it. Cause what if you don't put foil over your baking sheet? What the fuck is wrong with you? Like honestly, you want to be doing all the motherfucking dishes? Cause I don't want to do the motherfucking dishes. So I'm gonna spread this shit out like this. Okay. Now I make sure they got plenty of space between them. Just kidding. I crowd these bitches if I have to. Now, I pretty much, that's how you see how I'm doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. All right. Now, I'm going to just go ahead and do this. And then I'm going to show you, you know what, man? Y'all stay on the fucking video. We're going to pop these bitches in the oven. And whoa, look at the drum to flat ratio. Tighten up. How about these at Fancy Fruit? I like to get my meat over at Fancy Fruit. People are like, yeah, don't go to Fancy Fruit. Don't go to the ghetto ones. The ones in the hood are fucked up. Don't go to those. They got nasty ass chicken, man. They got weird pork chops and nasty chicken. Fuck, I'm gonna put the phone. God damn it, I gotta do it again. Hold on. 375. 375. Chickens is ready. Chickens is ready. By the way, shout out to Sello Rojo. Puerto Rican rice. That's the motherfucking beautiful rice. Now it's going into my dirty oven because I have to clean it. Admittedly, I have neglected my oven a little bit. It looks worse on camera, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad in person. It's not that bad. And besides, guess what? I'm eating it, bitch. You can suck a dick. Oh, hey. I got about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic there. This one's butchered. If you can get one of these, dude, these are fucking worth it. Little garlic car, hop in that bitch. This little blade got a little gear. You just close it and send them for a motherfucker ride of their life. Also got a garlic press. I got more than one way. Butter. Melting butter. Add garlic to melted butter. Still melting, but like I said, I like it. Get a little, cook it down, get a little soft, so you're not eating these hard chunks. You know what it is. After this simmers down, all the butter's cooked, I'm going to add some motherfucking Parmesan. I'm going to sprinkle that bitch. And then pretty much take the wings out, put them in a bowl, and then dump this motherfucking shit in there and toss them. Yeah, toss them like a salad. Yeah, you know what it is. And that's it, baby. You good to go. Yeah. And then your hard work pays off, baby. Oh, man. Look at the glaze on that bitch. Yeah. Maybe if you would have fried them, they'll be a little better because they got stuck to the aluminum foil. So be careful with that. But damn. Damn. Look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please share it. You know, please support this. I'm going to try to do more regular videos, little tutorials. They're not going to be professional. I'm not a chef. I'm just a home cook. But if you can support, please share. And bon appetit, bitch.